can't even zoom in, but
Chung.
At first we went to this place called 2 Hands, but honey, they had a whole line outside. It's hard to tell, so I ain't about to do that. But we waiting right now. Got our receipt. I got potato mozzarella. We both got the same potato mozzarella. We got potato mozzarella. And then I got the volcano one. And we got hot Cheeto dust on the bowl. Cheddar butter. I'm nervous as fuck because I've been wanting this even when I went to LA with these pussy holes. Didn't want to get it with me, but
I didn't know that's how I was talking about it. I didn't know what that was. She ain't send us no pictures of nothing. She just said, let's get
bitch,
some
I did show this.
I don't remember. I swear to God, I don't remember.
Bitch, anywho, I'm excited as fuck. I'm like, ooh, I've always wanted to try this shit. Loc'd update. Period. This purple don't. This is not a good hair wax, but whatever.
Make sure y'all watch the whole video, like, comment, and subscribe.
Period. Also check out my blog, Loc'dYanaLife.com. It is good for beginner lock newbies. You can learn some shit up on there. This is the thing. I'm sorry, I don't know if they want to be in it, but we gonna come back when we have our hot vlog. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're here.
We're here.
I'm lovey-wovey though.
We literally got our Korean doors.
Oh, bitches are on me. Let me put some napkins down. Okay, y'all, so he about to do a ticky Ricky. Look at him, y'all. Oh my god. Oh. Bitch, I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait on you.
Yo.
Hurry though.
Yo, this looks so good.
It does.
Okay.
Oh, just send me the video. I'll post it like it's fine though.
Okay, so this is my vlog. So what is this like? Is this like a mucky slash?
This is a mucky slash review.
Yeah.
Because we never tried this before. Bitch,
Stop
come on.
yeah. Which one? You trying potato first?
I'm trying potato.
I feel like that's gonna be the good one. Should we try first?
Yeah. Ready?
So this is. Oh, let's get a thumbnail.
Okay.
Get a thumbnail.
Bitch. Wait, this is my face. Okay. Please don't mind this, y'all. Okay. Whatever. Ready? Set. Go. So let's try with the sauce.
I got cheese sauce.
I got cheese and chili. I'm gonna try chili first. This shit is spilling all over me.
The hot Cheeto really adds a spice.
Okay.
Oh shit. Look at that.
With a plate.
Oh wow. Look at that.
Wow.
Korean dogs.
This is the one with the sausage.
Okay.
Okay. Where your other one?
My bag. Oh, shoot.
I want to do a thummy like that. Wait.
Okay, so disclaimer. The hot Cheetos does get everywhere.
Everywhere. It's all in my dress. It's all in my seat.
It does.
So, what you rate it?
So far, I give it like, it's like a 8.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna rate the potato one. Hold on. I'm gonna be honest, like, it's not really giving what I thought it was gonna give. This sausage one is good because the sausage is good, but I did get half and half of this one. But I'm gonna give it like a 7, 6.5, 7. Because I don't know. Sometimes you can have too high expectations and shit.
Yeah.
I'm full already. Sweet chili good.
Well, what does it taste like?
Give this a bite. Oh, is this AC loud? Probably is. It's too loud for me.
Okay.
The sausage. It
Yeah.
really gives it a more like a.
Yeah. Definitely better with the sausage. Okay.
You need to try it. Because it's just good. I really can't believe I'm eating this right now. Like.
So.
Is it today? Oh.
Today's my last day in Houston. I'm so sad.
I'm a piece of shit.
So what's that?
We gonna hope that he had to come back for 20 more days. I'm sorry. I'm
This
wishing
time I'm
that.
gonna lose my job.
Oh, I forgot he's supposed to be out there. So even if you're supposed to come back, you're not gonna come back. Cause you gotta work that job.
I might have to find something to do. Somebody say. I mean, I honestly might just stay at paid and shit. She don't come back till the 8th. So. Let me try my other dog, y'all.
Man, I've been eating both.
Yo.
This shit is all on me.
So this is my other dog.
Oh, he got, what you got? Cheddar?
Yeah, cheddar.
That's gonna be different.
Yeah, so.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yup.
Nah, this?
That one, kill me. We both put it in the camera. Show the sausage. No, show the sausage. Oh. I got a fat daddy sausage.
Whew.
Oh my god. And that ain't mozzarella. That's like that different cheese.
It's cheddar.
Oh. So.
And I think I like cheddar better.
And the mazzi.
It actually tastes cheesy.
I'm drinking this water down underneath me last night. Y'all, we be going out all week.
All week.
We've been drinking, dancing,
But
everything.
one thing about it that I like, we met so many fun people to go out with. Like,
We have, shout out to Jay, Pila, Makila, T,
everybody.
Jen. Must have just thought that that's the word. Yo. Bitch, I'm full. I knew that was gonna happen. I wonder how this one is back up. So I'm not wasting it. I don't think so either.
Damn, you had a fast one.
How you do though?
I like to scoop mine up.
Scoop it up.
You know, like scoot it up on the stick
Oh yeah, you're right.
from the back end.
I don't know if y'all watch Trisha Paytas, but that's how I used to eat these every fucking day. And she used to make it look so good. I ain't gonna lie. It's good, but I probably wouldn't get it again.
I don't think so.
It's a lot. And I'm telling you, like, I don't know what I thought it was gonna give.
Yeah. Honestly, presentation, 10.
A1.
It looks really good. But I'm really a potato person. I love potatoes. But I don't know, it's just something about this, like,
It's just really not. Bitch, I didn't even get to the sausage part. I'm still on a Mozzie.
I had to taste the sausage. But I think it's the sweetness of the bread.
Yeah.
Like, the batter that they use for, like, the corn dog part, it's really sweet. So it kind of, like, throws it off a little bit.
Yeah. And then, like,
Because I'm thinking it's just going to be straight, like, cheese and potatoes. I didn't know they were going to actually put, like, the batter of the corn dog on there, too.
and then, like, that's why when I was like, when they was like, do you want sugar or hot Cheetos? I was like, give me sugar. I mean, hot Cheetos, because I felt like that sugar was going to be too fucking much. Because I heard it literally just tastes like, with the sugar, it tastes like a fucking a funnel cake or like a donut and shit. And I don't need all that, especially with cheese. It's cool.
No, but what I was saying was, well, I think the others would be better, the sweet ones, because the batter's always already kind of sweet. So it'll be like like a pancake in the sausage type of thing. Like, that'd be, if it was just like a mozzarella stick, like if it was that kind of batter, like stolty.
Yeah.
That's what I thought it was gonna give. I thought it was gonna give like huge mozzarella stick with hot Cheeto sprinkles and cheese.
It's not giving. I don't know why people be lying on YouTube and shit. Well, it probably give for them. Potato. That do taste like a fry though. See, picking it off. I spent $10 on this. I'm eating it up.
I got it too. And then I ain't eat today, y'all. So.
I ain't that stinky ass little bit.
Yeah. It's good, but I won't buy it again.
Like, I feel like the bread is so much. Like, I just want to eat the sausage. Like, I just want to eat the sausage. I'm sorry. I might nibble on it later, but... Ooh, now that's the sausage. Hold on. Bitch, that's why this one was so much more extra.
Yeah, because J-Lo spent $10 and some change. Mine's was like $9 and some change. But
I didn't even know. I wasn't even looking at the price.
yeah, we got the she got me like that. She ain't got a look. But me. If you pick the potatoes off.
That's what I bought.
Yeah.
But eating it all together, it literally just tastes like a big thing of like just a bunch of shit.
Yeah, it's too much going on.
It is. Wow. I mean, it was still fun trying it.
It was.
It's not. It ain't just nasty. It's a lot, and I wouldn't get it again. But. I love hot shit. Sweet chili sauce.
Yeah. But y'all taste buds might be different than ours, so y'all might like it. I'm not saying it's nasty, like it's not nasty at all. But I'm the type of person to where I kinda already like imagine the taste of something before I try it. So like
when it don't fulfill that,
yeah, if it doesn't fulfill that, then it's like damn, like this is
like
not really what I was thinking that it was gonna taste like. So
yeah,
that's all that is. But I would still say try it because you never know. Like you might like this shit.
We didn't even say it. So the first one we went to, it was a line outside wrapped around. It is 99 degrees. Ain't about to sit out there. So we came literally across the street because we're in Chinatown, and it's Chun. And this one didn't really have a line, and when it did have a line, it's inside.
Same as that shit.
Same as that shit. That's the thing. Same as that shit.
Like,
but that one just more popular. Two hands.
Literally, it's just more popular, but it's I'm 100% sure they taste the same.
Definitely.
100. Y'all make sure y'all eat this at y'all house because
got a dustpan on standby.
Bitch.
You ate both of them?
No. I mean, I took. Probably still gonna stop at McDonald's. Give me a Sprite or something.
You bring your water?
I forgot it.
Dumbass.
Bitch, I was so excited to try these hoes. I'm like, oh, let's go. We really making it sound like this.
Look, it might be good to y'all.
It might be good to y'all, but hey, look, we ain't about to sugarcoat. We gonna tell you how it is.
We got to, cause it's like we don't want y'all to go and be like, oh my god, this nasty, y'all lie. Like, no, we can tell y'all the real.
We can tell y'all the real. So just
don't go with your expectations too high.
Yeah, don't go with your expectations too high, and then also like don't not try it. If that makes sense. Like,
try it.
It's definitely worth trying. It's definitely worth
different.
Like trying and just seeing like what it tastes like and what it gives. Because I'm telling you, it's just not what we was expecting. But honestly, like if you like the sweet and salty kind of like mix or feel,
or you like all that extra shit,
then it's definitely something that I would say try because it's not bad. Like
I'm over here picking this shit apart, honey.
Yo, I'll just put mine down.
This is tough.
But yeah, this week was very eventful. Like we went out so much, y'all. I'm talking about we went out, we buying drinks, shots,
back to back,
out the ass. Like, bitch, my wallet is screaming, please leave me alone.
Leave me at home, please.
Please, just don't even bring me at. Like,
bitch, we was finna go out yesterday. We like, you know what? We can do some chill shit.
I literally was like, the pool sounds fun. We ain't been
swimming. Yeah.
We ain't been swimming in a minute. Child.
It was fun though. We was so lit.
That's what.
Wait, what was we doing? What was we doing, ho? Clockwise.
Counter.
bitch. No, this is a funny code. He's talking about counter.
Bro, y'all, so I was dancing around Jalen in the pool, right? And like, at some moments, like the beat would drop or the beat would switch. So when it did that, because I was going in a circle, I would yell out counter, and that mean counterclockwise.
Go the other way.
And then so I would literally switch, like it's like counter this way, but then when you hear clockwise, you
got
back on the other side, like you gotta keep going. But it was funny because we had already took shots, like we was just having a good time. But yeah,
I'm putting this up.
yeah, put that shit up. I mean.
Put that shit up, please. Bitch, could you messy with it? Look at this shit, bitch. I'm picking this apart.
Yeah, okay, so honestly,
A whole experience.
if I'm gonna be real, now that I done
Settled
settled and processed, I think I'm changing my rating.
No, bitch, because you said 8. I said, oh, bitch, I'm going to get 6.5 some.
Yeah, it's
I'm
just,
a 6.5. Not even really a 6.5. It's really like a 6 to me.
yeah, I would definitely say like between 6 and 7.
Yeah. Because I swear to, bro, when we first bit into it,
It did not give the taste I was. You know how like when you bite into something, you like bitch.
this is good.
No.
It didn't give that. It was like, okay.
Yeah, I had to keep chewing to try to figure out like what taste was I really trying to
capture. It really, that's crazy.
But it was.
I'm
I
sorry.
keep trying to get these people
I'm
benefit of
sorry.
the doubt, but like we said,
You just gotta try it yourself.
yeah, you really just gotta try it yourself just to see if you're gonna like it or not. Like all these people that's about to slide up on my socials and ask me like, oh my gosh, like,
because it
that
look
looks
good.
so good. Like, how is it? Nasty. I mean,
This. Sorry.
not net. I'ma just say,
it honestly tastes really bland.
yeah, inexperience. Like honestly, maybe if they would have like seasoned the titles and like
Season the batter or something.
Yeah.
It tastes really. That's why I was like, let's try it in this sauce. Let's dip it in this sauce. It wasn't, because even the hot Cheeto dust wasn't even hot. It wasn't. I mean, a lot of shit don't be hot to me, but
yeah,
it wasn't really hot.
It tasted like a hot Cheeto, but like you know how hot
I'm finna
Cheetos
dust
is.
off,
Like,
bitch, because the dust can.
hot Cheetos not even that hot, you know.
So you throwing your shit away? I mean, because it ain't gonna be good to heat up anyways.
Yeah. I got it.
I got it, dude. Well,
Yeah. That's it for the review.
that's really it for the review.
As far as the review, but like back to the monkey, like we really had a good time this weekend, y'all.
We did.
Not even this weekend, just this week, period. Really, this whole time I've been out here.
Yeah, that's what.
Like,
bro, I've been having a good summer. Like we've been turning up, like.
Cause our deadass was supposed to be in Denton this whole summer, but I'm like, you know what? All my roommates gone. It's a lot to do in Houston. Like, why not just go home? And like, honestly, if she didn't quit her job and if I didn't come back home, like,
It would have been bland as fuck.
it would have been totally different. Like, I'm telling y'all, we wouldn't even be sitting in this car right now. Like,
Bitch, I'll be at work.
the way everything just like planned out and happened, like it was just all perfect. Like,
Well, the people we met
people
a lot of new
we met a
people.
lot of new people and they was so cool. Like going out, bro, I'm telling y'all, like hookah.
That was a fun night.
It was. We went to the hookah lounge. Baby Jen, when I tell you she be throwing that monkey.
I love her. Like, I really fuck with her.
Bro, she literally like, and all you gotta do is give her one hype.
One hype, she won't stop.
She's not stopping, like at all.
She's not stopping.
Jay, like I'm telling y'all, the
Oh, I
round
love
of
her.
shots was just coming, like shot up.
Bitch, the day of her, no, that was the day before her birthday, like bringing in her birthday. Bitch, we went to Hamburger Mary's.
We bar hopped
Walker.
different gay bars, and it was actually really cool. Like,
we was turning up.
yeah, we was. Hamburger Mary's at first the vibe was just like,
It was
I don't
dry.
really know, yeah. But after the night started,
It got lit.
literally,
Like, what all did we do? Like, Oh yeah, because Tuesday is where it started. Hamburger Mary's Cracker, and then the next day, that was the hookah lounge.
Taylor's birthday. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because we didn't do nothing Thursday because we said we was gonna go out Friday.
Yeah.
And we really didn't go out Friday. Today's Saturday and we're together. So
yeah. We
It's really been. I'm going home tomorrow morning, so I got a lot of shit to do when I get back. First of all, I gotta go back and forth from my cousin's apartment, go pack up all my shit from over there.
What cousin?
Bring it to my Mark.
Oh yeah.
Bring it to my uncle's. Cause I'm gonna sleep at my uncle's tonight.
Wait, so when they coming back?
Tomorrow evening.
Oh.
But I'm already be home. But yeah, y'all. This was really more so a review video.
Really?
And
she cute. That's so fun. We had too much fun. What?
when you go back and watch this video, you're gonna see what I did.
Okay.
I like this roof. Y'all, my best got a roof.
This is still on it.
She got a roofie. And we in this thing.
Birthday coming up, yo. Something will happen, yo.
Y'all, my birthday coming up and I don't give a fuck what they gotta say about it, cause I'm gonna be lit in this house.
Ooh, it's gonna be lit. That's the next coming up then.
Lit in this house, y'all. My birthday is September 29th. Mark the motherfucking calendar because a nigga about to be 21, bro. It's finally her, like.
Finally.
I've been doing 21 shit since I was 15. Not even, like buying bottles at a liquor store.
Fake ID, all that.
That's what I'm saying, like.
Bitch, bro, that Photoshop ID has been getting me through this week. Like, literally, what's up? Okay.
Don't even let her lie to y'all like that. What's really been getting her through is the looks she been giving. Like, this bitch been giving looks like she's really 23, 24. Like, that's really what it is.
Because really, I showed her my real ID, and they'll still let a bitch in. Because, I mean...
What you gonna do if a bad bitch walk up to you and be like...
Can I get in first?
You gonna say no?
No, he gonna let a bitch do. Bitch, like, we been in culture. We been in motherfucking the hookah lounge. I feel like it's super to ID at a hookah lounge. Like, get out of here.
It really is. But I mean, I guess because when you ID at the door, it makes it easier for the people who work there because it's like, I don't have to sit here and ask for people IDs all day, every day at the bar. Like, when you come into the bar, when you come to get a drink, I already know if you was let in through the door, I don't even gotta ask you shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't even gotta ask you shit. But you know, when they don't ID, you come in, they like, you got your ID? People looking for it, then they trying to serve other people. Mm-hmm. Then people like, did I see your ID already? So it's just like, when they ID at the door, the people that's working there, working at the bar and shit, they already know everybody in here is of age. So I don't have to do the extra mile to ask people IDs, have people pull it out or bring it to me. Oh, I lost it, I forgot it. I don't got to deal with none of that. Like, when you come in, I already know that was taken care of at the door. So that's really why they do that, which is understandable. And then, honestly, like, once we get of age, like, we going to appreciate, like, them IDing and shit. Because we're not going to want to be somewhere. And, you know, everybody grown and this 18, 17. Yeah. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I would just tell y'all, like, everybody out here doing shit they're not supposed to be doing at the age that they doing today. Yeah. That's just keeping it real. But at the same time, it's just like, once you get there, you start to understand. Regular, like, you just start to... It
be feeling good, though, going to the bar and buying drinks.
Man, what?
When I got one for old girl, I was like, yep, you run me that.
Can I get a house-ice Sprite and pineapple, please? Like, and it's just, I ain't gonna lie, like, them drinks, some of them drinks be strong, but some of them be really good, like, and then when you just get to vibe and just chill, and the feeling of it.
It be so fun.
It's so
Every
fun.
time I get drunk, I be so loud.
And you don't even need, like, people be feeling like, oh, like, and that's how I know I'm starting to get older, and I'm starting to, like, grow out of parties and shit, because, like, I like more of, like, a chill type of vibe now. Like, I don't like to be all hot and bunched up and skin to skin, jumping up, mosh pits. And I'm really not feeling that no more. Like, yeah, that's fun, it's cool, but it's like, as you get older, you start to, you know, change scenes. It's like, you could go out with 4 or 5 people, have a great time.
All you need is some liquor. You really don't even need that, but it's like when it's in the system.
When it's in it, bro, it's there. Like the energy is matched. Everybody on the same shit. Everybody cool. Everybody having a good time. They vibing, and it's just that. Like you don't need to just be jumping and But it's really cool though. Like my birthday, best believe.
I'm excited.
We all stepping fits. My best friends, my friends. My guy friends, my girlfriends, like we all finna be in the toe. Like,
where you want to eat it? Or y'all haven't figured that out yet?
I ain't figured that out yet. But Mari said she want to eat somewhere where like she could reserve the whole not the whole thing, but you know how like they have rooms inside of restaurants where you could just do a room if you having like 30 or 35 people.
I mean everybody go here, but what the fuck is that place called? We was there for Tiana's birthday one year. It's like a
Carrabba's?
No. Ruport. The Ruport.
Oh, true.
Yeah. She had that whole big little table.
I ain't never been there.
Yes, we have. Oh, we was there. The Ruport.
Oh, that's why my phone.
Did she?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Cause I was like, this shit expensive.
It was
expensive. 20, yeah. I'm really about to be 21, y'all. Like it's about to feel so good.
Finally do stuff like for real.
I cannot wait. Sunday fun days.
What you mean? For your birthday?
No, like Sunday fun days. After I turn 21.
Oh.
The brunches and the bottomless mimosas.
Fine. Oh God, cause bro, these places ain't here to be pissing me off. Bottle girls be 16. Can't even let a 20-year-old bitch in.
Nah, but I ain't gonna tell y'all where my birthday about to be at. Just know.
You gonna wish you was there.
You gonna wish you was there, and it's going down in each town. Like,
it's going down.
But yeah, that's really it as far as coming up. School about to start for me, so I'm also in the process of moving out of my apartment and moving into my new apartment. But we'll see how that goes. Pussy ass house station coming from a
bitch. I am. Bitch, ain't no cap in my motherfucking mouth.
But that's really it, y'all.
That's really it.
We ain't doing shit. Bitch, we finna go back to our side of town because we is nowhere near where we be at.
Nowhere near. This the end of this little video.
It is.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all better go try y'all some, tell me how it was in the comments for y'all.
I be trying to do
But you'll be there.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank you to everybody who sat and watched this video and watched this shenanigans. Follow me on the social. Mel Farrell. Maybe down there in the description. Check out the Lord Lady.
444.
If you ever want a 444, hit her up. She has a link or you can book an appointment with her.
Period. Loc'dLife.com. I'm gonna have all our socials in the description.
Yeah, like we really gonna get y'all together because we know y'all need to hear that stuff. So.
Period. But
and yeah, like honestly, what a nigga is.
What a hood nigga.
What a hood nigga. That's what I need. Sliding? No, don't slide. Cause y'all disrespectful. Y'all really disrespectful. Y'all be adding me and stuff and putting me and stuff. I ain't asked to be in. Please, stop. It's
Bitch, you dumb.
Nah, but for real though. We is giving skin. Woo! Y'all, I'm really about to leave my best. It's bad.
It really is. But I be out here by myself.
And it's just like, I'm always up to something. So I'm just like, literally, I'm out here, I'm like, check out, bitch, we going here. We going there. We ready. Like, this bitch, first of all, let me say something about this though, before we end this video. This bitch will already, like, I literally will not tell her shit. Like, I won't tell her nothing. I'll randomly just call her and be like, oh my gosh, like my cousin just called me. She said we going out tonight, like, and she said you can come, like we all going out. Bitch, this hoe literally will have a bag ready. Like when I say this bitch will already have the fit, the shoes, the celly, it's ready. Like everything is ready, bitch. She's on the way. Like,
bitch, I be ready to fucking go, ho. I be
and that's one thing about us. Like one thing about us, like when we know we have something planned for the night, we hate sitting around waiting for the time to come.
Oh god.
Like
I be so ready to go.
We'll find some shit out the day before. We like, all right, tomorrow at 10 o'clock we going out. Bitch, that next day we just sitting there like, fit just lay that.
Fit just lay that.
Just lay that. We like,
wait, you like. Should I take a nap?
Bitch, but nah, we be having a good time. But yeah, check us out. We about to get on the road. We got errands to run today, so it's still early. It's a Saturday. We ain't really got shit to do tonight, but
it is a Saturday.
We throwing these damn Korean dogs away. If I can get my $10 today.
Oh god, bitch, and I had the audacity to say I wanted 3.
I'm literally so happy we didn't get 3. Cause I'm like, bitch, what more would it taste like? Like, what different taste was we gonna get? Cause obviously, like, I should have known when they said sugar or Cheetos.
It just was so bland. It wasn't good. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
The sausage was good, but even that, it was just like.
Bitch, I had a hot dog with me.
I think that was one hot dog too. I don't know what it was, honestly.
That was thick though.
It was.
But yeah.
Well.
Alright, y'all.
We'll see y'all on the flip side. Check out our whatever next video we have on. Peace.